Again. True. What is up, guys? Welcome back to Railfan Honk channel here on the Hot Rails, the Kiamichi Railroad. Welcome back, everybody. It has been a while. It has been over a month since I've seen the KRR. So here they rolled down the line. It is 9:08, 9:10. It's 9:08 now. There's somebody on the tracks, but yes, it's been a while since they have rolled down the line. Well, I should have showed this phone. 9:08. Yeah, I know, it's 9:08. It's crazy to think that I haven't seen the train in so long. And I have brought a new phone with me. I'm gonna start recording YouTube shorts on this phone. A cat, get out of here. It's the train cat. It's Chessie. I am allergic to cats, if you guys don't know that. Alright, here they roll down the line. KRR 202. Hopefully I can record a short out of this. Trim it if I can't. But this is the real video. This is the short. Got two things. I'm not gonna be able to wave. Stop it here. Watch the video. Ding, 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 ding. Woohoo! Long time no see. Woo! Maybe next week, Monday, or it'll ship probably tomorrow, and then it'll get here Wednesday, but I don't know, so get ready for a better video. Another one off instead of busting for better or good, so I storage is always running out. I don't know what the storage is on that phone. I'll find out. Hey, this is the same train Railfan 202. This is played by Durant's crew. It's been setting it down ever since Friday. Or Thursday. One of those days. catching them. I don't think we will. That's flammable. There goes flammable too. There goes Kiamichi Pretty. Hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Ding, 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 ding. Thank you for the Railfan Honk, Josh. If that was you, thank you. But if you're watching this, thank you too. See you guys in the next video. I'll subscribe Railfan, Marshall Price, JDD Trains, Jaw 2, Jason Asleen. And I mean, that's about it. We ain't gonna chase this train tonight, but if I could, I would. So get ready for a video tomorrow. I'm gonna delete that open the door meme. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all. There goes Kiamichi Pretty. Rolling down the line, going down yonder. It's rolling eastbound tonight at 9:10 or 9:11. Bye, y'all.